friend, welcome to my channel. You're probably wondering why this airplane has glasses. Because it's going on a cool journey. Get it? Okay, never mind. Today I'm going to be talking about a plane in an airport. So let's get started. So this is an airplane I built, and this airplane is one of the coolest airplanes ever. It can go 300 miles an hour. And the pilot sits right here. See the glass? And the people sit in like these parts. But from here to here. Some people even sit on the wings. Okay, so let me talk about this plane. So I built this plane to go in the airport with whatever this thing is to move the airport out of its parking lot. So here is it. It's coming. Beep, 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 beep. So, this airplane is about to take off. Oh, I didn't tell you the name, right? This is the Southwestern Tropical Cruiser. Or you can call the SCTQ Cruiser. Southwestern Tropical Cruiser. SCT Cruiser. No, SWCT. You forget it. You can call it however you want. Okay, so these are the exhausts at its tail. It has like a little fin here. And these are attachers. And these are humongous fuel tanks. And you're wondering why there are lines right here. Because those are its other exhausts. So, stand back and watch and sit back and relax as this plane takes off. Prepare for takeoff. In 3, 2, 1. Prepare for landing. Wow, that is from New Jersey to Florida. That was the best plane ride ever. Okay, so now this plane needs a brake. First, to check if it's broken, we remove its wings. It's broken. I knew it. It's broken. Okay, let me fix that. Inside, I did it. Now remove the other wing. Remove these wings. Beep, 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 beep. And see how tiny it is? Now we remove its wheels. We removed its wheels. Wheels. It has one on each wing. This one goes in the front. Now we can see if it can fly without the wings, and if it can take off like this. Okay? So get ready. Without the twist, it's pretty fast. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was cool. Time for landing. Now, you have to check its wings. Tail fin wings. If it gets removed, we have to see how good it can fly. Because, wait, okay, yeah. I have to remove these parts so it's, okay. So after this, we're putting this all back together. In 3, 2, 1. Wow, that is not supposed to happen. Okay, let's try again. Wow, that was cool. Now I'm going to repair it with the repairing truck. Oh no, it's not fitting. Maybe it can't fit with the screw. It fitted. Okay, now we're gonna open it up. That's double-decker cool. So cool. Now I'm gonna put back the wings. Oh, first we have to put back here. Okay, now put it back. First, remove the air tank one. We put the wing right here. Then we put this back. I can't fit it. Oh, maybe with the driller. That's way better. Okay, so I'm attaching this here, and now I can attach it. Oh, okay. How do I attach this? What happened? Oh. Okay, it fits now. See how cool it looks? Mr. Driller. Are you still singing? Yeah. Okay, now it's done. Oh no! It has to take off again. So this is the end of the tour of this cool plane. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon. See you in my next video. Bye!